Some would say you're addicted now.
100%. I've joined the blind box club and I'm obsessed. So this would be numbers 5 and 6. Okay, so we already have Tigger and Piglet. We have 2 minis and we have a Chip. Chip looks like a demon.
Chip looks very, very angry.
He does. All right, so we have a Chip. We have 2 minis, so we do not want any of those.
We don't want Minnie.
And we have Tigger.
I want Pluto.
I would like Pluto. I would be happy with Stitch. I would be happy with Mickey or Dale. I don't want another one that I already have.
We want Donald. We want Donald.
I would love Donald. And
Okay.
I don't know. They sound the same. I don't know.
Well, let's open it up. Let's go.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Okay.
Not looking.
It's definitely a mouse. It's Minnie. It's freaking Minnie for the 3rd time. Gosh darn it! This is why I cannot be a pin collector. Ugh. No!
Oh, it's Mickey! All right, there you go.
Yay! I felt the ears.
That's so cute.
Oh, he's so
All right,
cute.
good.
All right, so at least we have Mickey and Minnie now.
Yes.
And we'll put them all out so you can see all of them together. All right, here's this card. Let's put it in his little... We have Mickey, we have Minnie, we have Chip, and we have Tigger and Piglet.
Okay.
Will we get lucky and not get a repeat?
No repeats.
Okay, ready?
No repeats.
Why do people like that sound?
That's such a good sound.
Okay, ready?
Suspense.
Oh.
It's suspense. Don't just open it. Just open it. Uh-oh.
Oh, I didn't rip that very well. Hold on.
Uh-oh, teeth. You better not be Tigger.
Oh no, it's broken. No,
It's Chip. It's Chip again.
We didn't want another
We didn't want
Chip.
I don't want Chip. It's obscene.
He's
Chip
like the worst one. I would even take Stitch.
seriously.
He just doesn't look kind.
No, and it's kind
Looks
of
crazy.
it
Like he's
doesn't-
on drugs.
It doesn't look right. The broom just doesn't look right. I'm sorry. This is an obscene toy. Whoever designed this was not thinking clearly.
He should have sat like on his side.
Maybe, perhaps. I don't know.
Like ridden the broom side broom.
Maybe just not a broom at all.
All right, that's okay. We have 4 now. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
and 4.
All right.
All right, I think I'm done. I'm not going to test my luck anymore because...
It's just, we got Mickey and Minnie, so that's good.
I know, that's cute. That's a cute set.
I still wanted Donald, but whatever.
You did.
All right.
And this
let's
one
see.
won't even go in his butt.
Yeah, and this one he won't even stand on his own. He just topples over.
That's not a good one.
Oop, just like that. See?
If anybody
little
has any of
pumpkin.
these and they want to trade,
I guess that's a good thought.
reach out to me at the bottom of this video. I guess it's going on YouTube as a short. So let me know if you want to trade for, this is broken. This isn't even going in his butt.
I'll fix it. I'm good at putting things
Yeah,
up
let me know
butts.
if you have one of these and you want to trade, and if I have, if you want a Chip or a Mini, let me know and we can do a swap.
Okay, say goodbye. This is way too long.
Bye, everyone.